Aloha traders and investors. Looking at the paper trading account, I am going to sell a naked put option on the ES, which is the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract. I'm going to sell a naked put option on this bad boy just for fun and excitement, mainly because I want to get an idea of how much margin it's going to be using. So I got we're looking at some charts here. This is 2 days, 15-minute chart. This is today, 5-minute chart. And the contract that I'm looking at is 3 days of expiration. We got the hourly for 5 days here. And we see in the last 5 days, the lowest it's been is 38.19. Highest it's been just happened yesterday, 39.73.25. 6 months daily right here, lowest it's been is 35.02. So the power of paper trading is that you can just start testing things. So what I was looking at before I even looked at those charts, I basically looked at basically where the money is, looking at delta, and I found where 10 delta is, which just generally speaking, this would mean it's got a 10% chance of expiring in the money. So obviously 90% chance of expiring out of the money. Well, 5 delta, you have about a 5% chance of it expiring in the money. It's just a quick and dirty way to look at it. If we were to have probability of expiring in the money right next to it, it's probably not going to say 5%. Maybe it will. I don't know, but it's close enough. Close enough for paper trading. So I'm just going to put at the mid. I'm going to put this all good till canceled. And so just by doing this, I'm learning something, because I'm asking for $2.30. So somehow that $2.30 times some number is equaling 115. And I guess I could do the math and figure it out, but I'm not that worried about it right now. I see right here buying power effect. To sell this contract, it's going to take about $10,000 worth of buying power. Just switch this over to open orders for the moment. Send that, and not getting filled too quickly. Arc. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna leave it in this open order until it gets filled or not. So we'll wait to see what happens there. Now quickly go through and look at these other trades that I have on, and in about 15 seconds at the 4-minute mark of this video, right up here is going to be a link to a playlist that will have lots of other kind of like an ongoing unfolding of these different paper trades. Right there, boom, it just popped up. 4 minutes. Yep, playlist to different paper trades. So nothing in the futures column. Option trades. I got this Apple sold put at expires in 24 days. It's a 150 strike price. It's profitable by $2 right now. There's about a 5% chance it's going to expire in the money. So I think what do I got? Got it set up to close at 10. To close at 10 cents, and I'll just leave that as it is for now. Now Amazon, I gave you that that playlist at 4 minutes, and at the 5-minute mark, so in another 10 seconds now, there's going to be another link, and that is to a video that shows how I how I sold a lot of these. It just popped up at the 5-minute mark. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, they were all sold about November 23rd. It's basically the strategy using the VIX, so that at the 5-minute mark, that video that popped up is part 2 of selling options with the VIX, and part 2 links to part 1. Just if you want to go through that real quick. Both of those videos are in that playlist, so just trying to make it super convenient for you. But with hindsight, I would have closed this one out a while ago. When I first opened it up, it was the first time I ever did the strategy. So I just like opened up 10 different 10 different contracts, I think. Or was it 9? I can't remember. Well, out of those, all I have left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about half of them have closed. And so now, with hindsight, I would have closed this one already too, because this one was a lot more profitable. I would have closed this one. This one at one time was up about a little less than $3,000. This one I can't quite remember. I probably would have closed out all of them after a couple of weeks. I think they were doing pretty good. So Microsoft right now is it's at about 700, and I got this set up. They're all set up to close at about halfway, and I'm just gonna leave it like that, just to see what happens. If it was a real money trading account, I'd probably close Microsoft right now, but you know, just testing to see. All these right now, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, they're all set to close at like whatever half the premium I brought in was. Now this is a gold strangle. Right now this is down about 30 bucks because this call has gone up, and it's in the red by 80, but this one's profitable by 49.50. Same thing, these are both set to close at a limit order for just whatever half the premium. So brought in $3, close it at 150. Yeah, paper trading is the bomb. It's really fantastic. And I'm happy that I decided to do this playlist, because I needed something to hold me a little more accountable to paper trading. The one thing, if I could do one thing different with Thinkorswim's paper trading, what I would do differently is that in the desktop you actually have to close one Thinkorswim platform out, and you have to open another one. So if I could just switch, you know, somehow, like maybe go to here to settings and just switch from paper trading to real trading, I would I would look at it a lot more. But you know, does it really take that much effort? Not really. But in our online everything is about convenience. It's like, man, it's really easy to get lazy. When I think back in the days, people like Mark Minervini were drawing stock charts on paper. So I feel like I gotta take that David Goggins approach and just do hard stuff. You know, oh, it's so hard. I gotta close out of one application, reopen it, and re-put in my password. You know, sometimes people that want to make money in markets, we just got to man up, or woman up, or whatever pronoun up you need. Don't get your panties all in a bunch over pronouns. This is trading, my friends. This is trading, right? We're talking about get tough. So, you know, if you got to close it out, I get it. It's inconvenient. It's inconvenient for me. That's why I needed to do this. But anyways, I'm rattling on here. Looks like this is not getting filled, and so I'll just wait and see. And that is again the beauty of paper trading. You just test stuff out. You know, why is it not getting filled? It's probably not getting filled because there's just not anyone really wanting this contract. Right? There's open interest. So in the last X amount of time, like a little bit over 400 have bought and sold. There's been 3 of them today. Highest price was 30. Lowest price was, 230. Lowest price was 230. So that's the deal right there. That's the update on the paper trading. I'm gonna keep watching that and see what happens. You guys have a fantastic day. Aloha.